Start with drawing a line. From the top of the ship, draw a curve at the corner to form an oval. Draw another curved line to form the bottom of the spaceship. For the rockets, start by adding a small square or rectangle at the end of the spaceship. Add fire to the rockets. You can use zigzags or any other pointed shapes that you would like to use. You can draw an antenna at the top of the ship by drawing a line. You can draw directional movement lines at the bottom of your spaceship. Color in your spaceship in any media that you would like.